So Samsung is about to change the foldable game again, but this time it's something completely new. The long-awaited Galaxy Z Fold, or you can say Z Trifold, is finally launching in less than 2 weeks. And we just got a ton of new details, including some official animation clips that reveal features no one really saw coming. First, it looks like Samsung is confident with this one. Unlike the previous foldable experiments that were limited to selected markets, this trifold device is expanding globally. It's confirmed to launch in China, South Korea, and the UAE, and even the United States. That means this isn't some test model. Samsung clearly believes the Galaxy Z Fold is ready for mass users. Now about the design. The Galaxy Trifold folds inwards with 2 hinges and 3 separate display sections that unfold into a massive 10 inches OLED screen. So when it's open, it feels more like a tablet than a phone. You also get an external display on the back, which will be around 6.54 inches, so you can use it while the phone is folded. There is one interesting detail that's been confirmed through a new patent filed in South Korea. Samsung is using 3 batteries inside this device, 1 in each section, and each one is slightly different in size. With this setup, the total capacity is expected to be somewhere around 5000 to 5500 milliamps, which is pretty solid considering how slim this thing is rumored to be. Now here is the part that caught everyone off the guard. In one of the leaked Samsung animations, the camera app shows 100x zoom. That's something the regular fold lineup never had. For years, Samsung's foldables have been stuck at 3x telephoto zoom with 30x digital zoom. If this trifold really gets 100x, that means Samsung is using the same 50 megapixel 5x periscope sensor from its Ultra phones, but there is also chance this is just a placeholder animation. Still, if it turns out to be real, then the next Galaxy Fold 8 is definitely getting it too. Samsung will also has a particular warning installed in their Z Fold, which will show up when you are folding with the rear cameras first, because this way you won't be able to fold the third screen on it. Another big upgrade in Samsung DeX. On this trifold, DeX can now run directly on the phone itself. You don't need to connect it to a monitor. That means you get the full desktop interface right on your screen, just like you would get on a tablet. You can drag windows, use multiple apps side by side, and enjoy proper multitasking in this Z Fold. So yeah, this isn't just another upgrade to the Fold series. The Galaxy Trifold is Samsung's first real attempt to remove the line between phones and tablets. If the camera improvements are real, if the performance is backed by Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, and if the software optimization delivers, this could easily be the Samsung's most versatile device yet. The only concern now is the battery life. Powering a screen this huge with 3 panels and DeX running natively won't be easy, but if Samsung really hits that 5500 milliamps of target for the battery, then would you think this would also be enough? Do let me know in the comment section below. Are you planning to buy one or not? And I'll see you guys in the next one.